Most people spend their entire lives chasing money. We save, we invest, we worry, and we hope that one day, maybe in retirement, we'll finally get to enjoy it. But Bill Perkins, in his book, Die with Zero, challenges this way of thinking. His philosophy is bold but simple. The goal of money isn't to die with a giant pile of it in the bank. The goal is to use it wisely, to squeeze every drop of value out of it, and to build a life filled with rich experiences before your time runs out. And before we dive into the details, if you want resources to help you put these lessons into practice today, click the link in the bio. I've put together free tools that will help you start designing your own Die with Zero lifestyle. The first big lesson of the book is that you should maximize life experiences, not just wealth. Most people keep waiting for the right time to live, after the kids are grown, after the house is paid off, after retirement. But Perkins argues that life doesn't work that way. Time is finite. Your health and energy are finite. $1 spent at 30 buying adventure and memories is worth far more than that same dollar at 80 when you may not have the ability to enjoy it. The core principle is stop deferring your happiness. The second lesson is about balancing, saving, and spending. Perkins isn't telling you to burn through your money recklessly. He's saying to avoid the trap of oversaving at the expense of living. Many people die with far more money than they ever needed, but far fewer memories than they wanted. Instead of asking, how much money can I save? Ask, what return on life will I get if I spend this now versus later? Sometimes the smartest investment isn't in a retirement fund. It's in creating moments today that you'll remember for the rest of your life. And if these ideas are resonating with you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share powerful book breakdowns like this every week, and you won't want to miss the next one. Another important concept in the book is to invest in experiences, not just possessions. Research shows that experiences lead to longer-lasting happiness than things. That concert, that trip with friends, that class you take with your kids, those stay with you. The memory of a car fades, but the memory of adventure grows richer over time. Perkins encourages you to ask, when you look back on your life, what will matter more, the stuff you bought or the experiences you created? He also introduces the idea of time buckets. Divide your life into stages, your 20s, 30s, 40s, and so on, and plan meaningful experiences for each stage. Why? Because some adventures are time-sensitive. You can backpack across Europe at 25, but probably not at 75. You can start a new business in your 30s, but maybe not in your 60s. If you wait too long, you'll miss windows that never reopen. Time buckets make sure you don't push everything into someday and then realize someday never came. Another powerful lesson is to give while you're alive. Many people save money with the goal of leaving an inheritance when they pass. Perkins asks, why wait? Why not give to your children, your family, or causes you care about while you're alive, so you can see the joy and impact your money creates? There's nothing more rewarding than knowing your money made a difference in real time. The book also talks about avoiding regret. At the end of life, most people regret not experiences they had, but experiences they missed. Perkins' challenge is to live now in a way that minimizes future regret. Spend less time worrying about leaving behind a fortune and more time asking, how can I design a life that feels full right now? So what's the ultimate takeaway from Die with Zero? It's that money isn't the goal. Life is. A true measure of wealth isn't the size of your bank account. It's the richness of your memories, the quality of your experiences, and the depth of your relationships. Don't just live to die rich. Live to die fulfilled. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more book summaries like this. And check the link in the bio for resources that will help you start applying these lessons to your own life today.